Hey, it's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from gyroism. It's from a video called JASSY Bath dash vertical bracket question mark vertical bracket. It was uploaded 4 months ago on June 6. The duration of the sound effect is 0:35 to 1:06. The piano music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is 31 seconds long. It is only used when I poop, although I'm pooping. Eeg. I need to use my tummy muscles to poop. God, that was a really big one. I farted for 31 seconds. The sound effect starts at 0:35 and ends at 1:06. Remember kids, when you need to poop, stop what you're doing and use this sound effect. Make sure you remove the piano music at the beginning and end.